like to think of it like fans of a sports team because, you know, you can come from all different kinds of backgrounds in an area. You can have all different kinds of investments or all different types of interests, and yet you can come together and have one focus and they have one purpose in being there, and that's cheering their favorite team on.
It's about accepting other people and allowing them the opportunity for something they might not otherwise have. By bringing those people in, we give ourselves an opportunity to appreciate all kinds of different characteristics.
When we come together, we're all equal and we're all eligible to be a part of that membership base that we call the credit union or the cooperative.
Well, credit unions, we do things a little differently around here. You won't find some mean, ferocious dictator making all the decisions and calling all the shots. At credit unions, all the decisions are made by the group and for the group.
I could compare it with a melting pot in which we all melt together. It is the melting pot metaphor. We all melt together into a whole. We're all equal.
Democracy means everybody having the same voice, everybody having a similar vote, whether they are large or small or young or old, or they have $5 or $5 million on deposit.
And in every credit union, you're going to have members from the low income levels all the way up to the upper echelon, and they're all treated the same. I emphasize that over and over again, they are all treated the same.
That goes back to the one voice, one vote.
One voice, one vote.
Democratic
Control.
Perfect.
Todas las voces tienen el mismo volumen.
To me, I explain a cooperative as being a group of people coming together to pool their resources for the common good of all of them.
I sort of liken this to, you know, maybe a Thanksgiving feast because, you know, you have your family that's a part of it. You have friends, you have extended family, extended friends, you know, and everybody works together. Everybody brings different things. You know, one person's bringing ham, one person's doing turkey, somebody else is doing some special casserole, but everybody is working together to accomplish this feast.
Have you ever watched a beaver build a dam? You know, they're busy little beavers, you know? And I'm so in awe at their ingenuity and their keen sense of insight. They're able to pinpoint just where a dam is most efficiently needed and where it will be most effective. They take stone after stone and log after log and twig and stick after stick, and they build this most efficient dam because it's needed. They're building this not thinking about, I have 5 logs and you have 3 logs. They're building this for one simple reason. The same reason that credit unions do what we do, because it's needed.
Every credit union, every cooperative is going to be a different and unique organization, and some needs and some values speak to them more strongly than maybe some other needs and values, and so everybody's a little bit different.
We've got younger ones, older ones, we have the fast-paced talking, I gotta get it done right now, the ones who are laid back, whenever you get it done is whenever you get it done kind of people. We just have a collage of different types of personalities going on.
We each need to appreciate the fact that we can be ourselves, not just as individuals, but as institutions.
Cooperatives want their members to thrive and be successful, and education is such a big part of that. And really, it's kind of like a coach. You know, you think of a great coach in any sport, say basketball. Basketball is all about timing and precision and being in the right place at the right time, or maybe making that exact right move before the player passes the ball to you so you can hit that winning shot.
You see, at credit unions, we have a heart to serve, and we love to see people helped. If you need help, we want to race over and help you. We want to reach out our hand and educate and train and inform and share good information about financial management.
But all in all, it's one of the slogans I guess credit unions have, which I like, is people helping people. I've added one to it over the years. It's people helping people help themselves.
Remember those those days in elementary school, those field days when we had a series of games we had to win. You had to win one game and win the next game, your whole team would kind of work together. Well, one game would you pass a baton and give it to the next person. The next game was in a potato sack. You know, you have to work together, otherwise you'll fall, you'll stumble, and you won't make it to the race if you don't work together. You see, at credit unions, we have to do the same thing too.
Once you build a relationship with people, you know, you have this connection and it doesn't go away. And I think that's what we all want. You know, we want to have connections.
You can't have a cooperative with one person. Therefore, the more people you bring together by nature, then the greater opportunity you have for cooperative strength.
A lot of times you can think of it like almost like preventive medicine, in the sense that when you have a small baby who's like less than a year old, you might go to the doctor even though the baby is not sick, because you want to make sure that the baby is progressing well, is the right weight, is eating the right foods, doing the right things in order to continue to grow and be successful and thrive. And concern for community is kind of the same thing, because cooperatives are locally based institutions. They are in the communities that they are serving.
The money that our savers put in stays in the community and is used in the community because all our loans are to local people that are part of the credit union.
It is so nice to have someone that you can go and like you feel like you trust that person. And that's how I feel that our members trust us. And that's a bigger responsibility for us.
They just, you know, saw credit union as just, you know, a different name for a bank or something like that. And once they started understanding like what, you know, what our purpose is, completely changed.